hey, so how big are these tiny homes, sir?
The outside dimensions are 21 feet by 9.6 feet. So on your inside model, you're going to typically get 8.8 feet by 20 and 4 inches. Pretty accommodating for 2 people or a single person living. Pretty cozy in here.
Corey, so talk to me about 2 models that we can show people right here.
So here's our kitchen model. Small, quaint. And then you have a living space or dining room or however you want to utilize it. The choice is yours. So this is our bedroom model that is complete with shower, toilet, sink, and a stackable washer and dryer. And if you come in here, this is the bedroom with your AC unit and a closet.
Corey, so our tiny homes are modular homes, but what does modular mean for those out there who may not understand the term?
So modular is built off-site, brought to the build site, and then when they bring them, they attach them together. So we are currently standing in 2 modular units that have been joined at this point. This is our joining seam.
Corey, one of the questions that we get here pretty often is who builds the tiny homes? How's it all happen?
So our students here build the modular homes under the watchful eye of the instructors and inspectors as myself to make sure that we have a quality build.
Corey, so talk to me a little bit about the quality of the build because we have to meet the Arizona state standards, correct?
Yes. So we use a 2x4 structure that is sheeted by OSB on the outside, as you would find in your typical on-site builds.
So this assures that our quality of tiny homes are just like any other new build, correct?
You are correct.
Hey Corey, so when we deliver the homes, they're going to be elevated, correct?
Yes, they'll be at a height of 18 inches, so you still have access to get underneath them to do maintenance or anything further down the road.
Corey, so talk to me, how are the houses going to be mounted?
So we're going to be using these pylons, and this part here is going to be driven into the ground. And when we get our desired elevation height, we are going to attach this onto the house, which is going to attach onto this. And doing this, we can give you a faster install of a day versus concrete that may take up to a week because you have to pour, cure, dry, and so on.
So Corey, when you guys install a tiny home on my property, what's the bottom part of the home going to look like?
So we're going to install this full-length skirting. It's just going to help keep out the critters, the weather, and generally just give it a nice curb appeal. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions about our tiny homes, please feel free to give us a call.